Hey everybody, today's video is a 2019 Kompact Kamp. This is pulled with a motorcycle. So here's the name of it. And the owner just left, so I'm not sure of the weight. But he did give me permission to film it. So this is what it looks like. Isn't that cute? So it closes all up inside this thing right here. And I'll show a picture of that. And then it's got an awning attached. And I'm going to show you inside. I'm going to walk around. This little sitting area outside. This zips up. And then down here you open this. And you step inside here, and there's this bed. Now, if you have two people, there's a platform here that this cushion would come out, and the whole thing would be a bed. Now, here's the inside. And it does have the hard floor because this is a fiberglass container here that's the actual trailer. And then he has lots of storage under there. Now you can fold this part of the bed up and then have a seat there, and you could put a little table in here. And that's what it looks like. Very cute. So that's a 2019 Kompact Kamp, and the motorcycle, a little trouble getting that door shut. The motorcycle is a 2016, and I'll show you a picture of that. So there you go. Very unique camper. Give it a thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe so that you can see all the videos I post. Have a great day. Bye.